This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use navigation on your Lexus NX 300. First, locate the Map or Nav button on your center console or touchscreen. Tapping this will bring up the main navigation interface. You can then use the Remote Touch interface, which is like a small touchpad, or voice commands to interact with the system. This initial step gets you ready to input your desired destination. To set a destination, navigate to the Destination option on the screen. You can input an address by typing it out or search for a point of interest like a restaurant or gas station. The system also allows you to browse by category. Once entered, the system will calculate the best route, often providing 2 or 3 options, along with an estimated arrival time. The Lexus NX 300 navigation offers several advanced features to enhance your drive. You can view real-time traffic conditions, helping you avoid delays and choose alternative routes. It's also easy to find nearby points of interest, such as gas stations, parking, or coffee shops, directly from the map screen. Don't forget to save your home and work addresses for quick, one-touch navigation. For the best experience, remember to update your navigation maps regularly to ensure you have the most current road information. Using voice commands is a fantastic way to keep your hands on the wheel and eyes on the road, improving safety. Just press the voice button and speak your command clearly. Also, for other great deals and to check out the Owala water bottle, please see the link in the description below. This helps you stay refreshed on all your journeys.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.